manual. I don't have a problem shifting, you know, first, second, third, fourth. That works fine, and even, you know, reverse and everything. The problem I have is when I start it and put it, you know, go from first to second, 80% of the time I've got to really kind of push down on it to get it to go into gear, or it's right on the edge and it'll like start stripping. It'll do that sort of sound that you get when you don't push your clutch in before you start switching gears. It'll just grind a little bit when I let out of the clutch. So what I have to do is I kind of have to just wrestle it down in, and it finally goes. So what I've done is I'll leave it in second. We'll go down and look and see what's going on. So I get under here and I look, and you can see that it's right snug against it. And I think what's happening is when it's going into gear, you know, it's you know, that's neutral, and that's second going into it that way, but it's not, there's not enough clearance right here is the way I feel. Now, pretty much all places that I've seen, and I was concerned maybe I put this bracket on the wrong side of here, and maybe that's what was causing that. But every place that I've seen online, it shows it on this side of it, this little piece right here, and not on the outside. And I could move it to the outside, but I was concerned about alignment. And but anyway, that's kind of what's going on and what my concerns were. I could also grind this down flat or grind that off. I don't want to have to take it all apart, but anyway, that's what's going on.